TikTok, the place of dances, trends, and overnight fame. But what if I told you something darker hides beneath the filters and flashing lights, not chasing views, not chasing followers, but money laundering? Today, we uncover how TikTok can become a stage for dirty money. TikTok rewards engagement. More views, more likes, more comments, and more value. But sometimes, attention isn't just attention. Sometimes, it's camouflage for financial networks. To understanding laundering on TikTok, we must understand its system, which has tools built for creators. Live streams, real-time interaction, virtual gifts, turning support into cash, coins and diamonds, digital currency converting back to real money. These features are legitimate, but like any financial tool, they can be abused. Criminals realized something powerful. They don't need offshore banks anymore. They just need influencers, fake sponsorships, shadow agencies, anonymous payments. So next time you see someone praising a random mystery brand, ask yourself, is it fashion or laundering? Let's break down the laundering path on TikTok. Step 1. Placement. Getting dirty money into the system. Criminals buy TikTok coins with that dirty cash, sometimes across multiple accounts, slowly and quietly, so no one notices. Step 2. Layering. Hiding the trail. Now the money needs to disappear inside the system. How? By sending gifts between TikTok accounts back and forth, again and again. It looks like normal content supporting behavior. But in reality, it's just money moving in circles, more accounts, different countries, different currencies. Every transfer makes the money harder to trace. Step 3. Integration. The TikTok creator withdraws the coins as real money. Now it looks like they earned it from content, even if they didn't. That dirty money becomes clean income, ready to spend, invest, or send to a bank like nothing happened. And this isn't theory. It has already happened. In the US, TikTok Live has appeared in federal complaints tied to laundering networks. TikTok says they monitor financial abuse. Systems watch transactions. Governments try to track it. Algorithms try to flag it. But the system itself was built for speed, not truth. So the next time you scroll TikTok, remember, not every trend dances to an innocent rhythm. It's all about illusion. When money wears the mask of fame, it becomes invisible. Follow the trail, because this story has just begun.